Welcome back. Hopefully everybody's still in the gym and working on that New Year's diet. If you are, I have the perfect meal prep for you right here, guys. This is super simple, super fast to make, and best of all, it's cheap and affordable, especially if you're balling on a budget like me. Look, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the ingredients like we always do right here. Just a quick look, you can always find the specific measurements and the ingredient list down in the description box below. But I always like to give you a quick look at it, exactly what I have up here on the table, just so you can see, see it yourself. Beautiful minced garlic and some diced onion right there. A lot of antioxidants in that, so remember, we healthy on this one, all right? Look, we're gonna start off with our rice. I have 1 cup of rice with 2 cups of water. High heat right now, about to bring this up to a boil, hitting it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And just give it a quick little stir to stir that around. This is like the best time to season your rice if you didn't know. Throw that lid on there, don't touch it, wait for it to boil. We can go ahead and prep our asparagus now. A little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, same thing. Preheat your oven to 375. Then we'll be good to go for the asparagus. Don't take too long for the water to boil for your rice, so don't waste any time here. We can prep that asparagus. So now that that's boiling, we want to go ahead and turn that heat down to low. Give it another stir, and then we're just going to throw that lid back on it. Keep that heat on low and don't you touch it. Now our oven is preheated. It's perfect. Remember, guys, I said on 375, and we're going in for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm using 12 on this video. I find that to be, give the asparagus a perfect, consistency and texture and everything. Not too hard and not too soft. Now for the main star of the show, the protein for all my muscle heads out there. Go ahead and heat up your pan. We're going to throw a little olive oil in there. Now we can just toss that, that whole pack of ground chicken in there. Literally all of it. Food's way too expensive right now to be wasting any, so. Spread that out a little bit, then we're just gonna hit it with the same season, a little pepper, tiny little bit of salt, because I had that soy sauce too. If you didn't see in the beginning, we're gonna be using that later. That has a lot of sodium in it. And then we're just gonna use that ground ginger. You could also use fresh ginger if you want to. I'm gonna tell you when, it's the right time to throw that in there. Keep on high heat, just keep on cooking it out. Give that a nice mix, keep on chopping it up. See, now we done got a little more color. I'm just gonna, create a little center of it right here. And right here, this is where I'm gonna go in with that, that diced onion that I showed you earlier, along with that minced garlic. If you're using fresh ginger, this is the time to throw it in. Go ahead and mix that up. We're gonna keep on cooking this chicken until it's fully cooked. Our onions are translucent and that garlic gets nice and fragrant. I'm just gonna keep up, breaking up that chicken, make sure there's no really big chunks. Now's the time to get started on that sauce. I'm gonna throw a little bit of that soy sauce in there, like I said. That's why we didn't go heavy on the salt. Quick squirt of sriracha for a little bit of heat. And just to sweeten things up a tad bit, I have this sweet Thai chili sauce right here. Go ahead and just give that a quick, nice little mix right there. Make sure it's all spread out and combined in your chicken. That is looking great, nice and juicy, flavorful. By the way, this is going to give you about 3, 4, possibly even 5 meals depending on how much you eat. Like I said, we have that white rice. You can go ahead and fluff that now, or and also you can use any rice that you're choosing, brown rice, wild rice, whatever. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of some chopped scallions on top of that chicken right there. Asparagus is looking great. That's all finished. Now's the time to go ahead and plate this up. fits perfectly in, you know, one of those little containers, or you can throw it in, you know, a nice plate if you want to have a gourmet-ish looking dinner right here. Thank you guys for watching again. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, alright? Listen, I'm gonna see you guys next time.